Guys, welcome back to the channel. So I did a video of this mag and aluminum polish on some headlights from a Honda Odyssey, and I was pretty impressed on the way they looked. So as you could see, our unicorn has some blemishes. Now I polished these maybe about, I don't know, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, when we first got this particular element, and they're already getting hazy. So I'm gonna try the mag and aluminum polish without sanding. No wet sand, nothing, just straight polish. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if it'll help erase these blemishes. The other side is the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick video and let's see the difference. This is what it looks like right now. You can see it's real hazy. I'll show you to you up close, and you can see some of those little lines. You see that? All right. And then this is the other side. The other side has a lot of blemish. You can see it right there. And we could turn around. You can kind of see it right there. I want these to be more crystal clear, and I do believe that this stuff will do it. So let's try to see. Let's just go ahead and jump in. Let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead and tape them. I'll use a very light tape. Like I said, it's just for protection. I'm not trying to get crazy, and I don't want to press the tape too hard, because I know that some of the cars, some of the elements out there might have paint that's a little weak, so you might not want to use paint. Right now I'm going to use my big buffer because I want to get it done quick, and I want to see, obviously this is a flat headlight versus the Odyssey where it's more of a slope. And I'll see what kind of difference it makes with the angle of this particular headlight. And obviously, since I already did do some of it and it already started to get kind of opaque or hazy again, then what my intention is let's just see if we can get it crystal clear. And then now let's see how long it lasts, because this is something I just discovered. I didn't know people were doing this, so it's kind of cool. And it really worked. I was pretty impressed with it. I usually wet sand it and then polish it with compound and 3M. And this is actually pretty cool that you could do it this way, and it's faster because it seems like you just get in there and go, and you don't have to mess with it too much. So we're gonna get it done right now. Let's see if it works on these element headlights, which I'm sure it will. So here's the stuff right here. We're gonna go ahead and apply it just like we did with the other one. We're gonna rub it in there real good. There you go. And then once we rub it in, we'll start polishing it. Now on my Odyssey, this stuff was amazing, so I'm kind of hoping for the same results, and I think we'll get them. I'm gonna go ahead and start right here. All right, here we go. Okay, man, I gotta say that's a big difference. It's pretty impressive, actually. Now the headlight is super crystal clear. You can see it right there. I mean, it's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side right here, the little edge. But I'm pretty impressed with this stuff. I'm actually liking it. I like the fact that I don't have to sand it down, and I don't really have to do anything to it other than just apply it and then polish it up. Once again, same way. Put a little bit on there. It's actually pretty cool, man. This stuff is awesome. I didn't even know this stuff exists. I mean, I've used this to polish wheels and aluminum wheels and aluminum parts, but it never occurred to me to use it on headlamps. So it's pretty cool. Learn something every day. All right, guys, that's pretty cool. Looks good. Very, very nice. You could tell the difference instantly. No more scratches. It's just a solid, clear lens. Pretty cool. All right, I'm going to take the tape off of this one. I'm going to re-tape or tape the other side, sorry. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Now, what I noticed here is that you have this little piece right here. It's right at the edge of the, basically at the edge of the headlight. See it right there? Now, I know that that piece right there is going to be kind of a pain in the butt to get in with the machine. So I would definitely do it by hand. And that's probably what I'm going to do. So let me get a paper towel and let me try it by hand, see if it at least protects it or helps it shine a little bit more. So here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it real quick and then probably just do it by hand. See if I can just get it to get hot. And then I'll clean it up. And it did make a big difference. And I didn't even do it for that long. Just did it for a little bit. So that's actually pretty impressive, the way this stuff heats up and it kind of like helps the plastic come back to life. So I'm pretty impressed with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick and let's see how that goes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tape it up real quick. If you feel that your paint's gonna peel off or anything, don't use tape. Just go slow. Use a small buffer, one of this handheld buffers. But the reason I'm taping is because I'm going real fast, and the reason I'm going fast is because I know I'm a machine. But if you're not experiencing this, take your time, do it slowly. If you don't feel safe with the tape on your paint, don't put tape. Just take it easy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same process. Here's the material or the compound, wheel polish, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go ahead and rub it on. Now remember, on this one, it's in this area right here. It's pretty bad. I want those lines and that haze to go away. And then that's what we're gonna do right now. See if it works. I'm gonna go ahead and do all of it since I'm going pretty fast. All right. All right, here we go. Let's get the machine and start the party. I'm gonna do this area one more time right here. I believe that that area is more of a it's probably, it looks like the glass is already kind of I guess it has a bunch of little cracks in it, but I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna do it one more time, see if it helps. All right, let's see if it goes. All right, so to me, that little area right here looks like it's already brittle. So I don't think you can really do too much about that unless you sand it down with like 400 and then you clear coat it. And I do believe sometimes a clear coat helps you with that. But if you're just trying to get a nice shine out of your lens, this is awesome. And as you can see, this is good. It's ready to go. So guys, once again, I'm definitely very impressed with this stuff right here. It's really, really good. And this is what they look like. So this is the after. So as you can see, they were definitely very scratched up and they weren't as shiny as they are now. So I'm very, very happy. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off, clean it off real quick. And then it's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and do my SC now, because if you look at the SC, it does have blemishes also. You can see right here, there's a couple little lines. This is the new headlight that they replaced, but you could see how this one is newer. And if you look at this one, there you go, all hazy. So yeah, we want this one right here to look like that one right there. So that's next. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this one in, tape it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And I do believe that I can improve the look of that headlight right here with just a little bit of this mag wheel. And we'll put it to the test. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, stay tuned, make sure to hit the notification bell that we catch the next video. And I'm gonna clean this up real quick and I'll be done. All right, guys, stay in your element. Take it easy out there, guys.